So, preparing for our vocabulary quiz or exam, we are going to go through and provide a sketch as well as a name for whatever it is that we sketch. So, we need to provide an example of a point. There's an example of a point. We will call it point Y. So, the name that we say point Y. Next, we need a line segment. Your line segment can be going in any direction. It just has to have a point on each end, and we can name it with any letters like CD. And then to name that, that will be line segment CD, like that. We are not going to use words, we are going to use symbols, or it could be backwards DC, like that. Next, a line is very similar, except it's got arrows on the end, and the points are somewhere in the middle, remembering that a line extends forever in both directions. We're going to name this line PQ. So PQ is our line. We just need to make sure we put arrows on both ends of our line on top there. QR is the other way. A ray. And so I'm going to do this ray pointing to the left on purpose because this has been a point of confusion in the past. This is going to be ray MN. And so it doesn't matter that the ray is pointing to the left. We always start at the point that is the end of the ray and then move in the direction of the arrow. So this is going to be ray N M. And when we do that with our symbol, the arrow for a ray always points to the right. Perpendicular lines, we are going to see that we're making an upside down T or a sideways T, whatever. The part that has to be there for you to show that these are perpendicular lines is that little box there. Yours doesn't have to be red, of course, but it could be. So my perpendicular lines are going to be, just one moment.